Hello, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm bringing you something truly exciting, Factory.AI. It's an AI-powered CLI that lets you develop complete end-to-end features, understand your entire codebase, and automate production-ready workflows, all from your terminal. So, what does that really mean for you? Factory.AI is designed to deeply understand your feature development lifecycle, your engineering systems, and your enterprise compliance requirements, all while keeping security at its core. Why we need Factory.AI? In modern software development, AI development agents are transforming how teams work. Factory.AI goes beyond traditional assistance. It brings micro-agents that can deeply analyze your code base, integrate with your engineering systems, and automate production pipelines. Installing it is simple. You just run the Factory.AI CLI setup command, and within seconds, it's available right inside your terminal, VS Code, or even through your browser interface. You authenticate using your Factory Droid credentials, and once connected, you can start writing prompts and interacting with your project instantly. Key features. Factory.AI is not just a command line assistant, it's a complete development companion. It supports end-to-end software development and lifecycle planning, deep code understanding and organization-wide knowledge leverage, integration with developer tools like JIRA, Notion, and Slack, production-ready deployment pipelines and CI/CD automation. You can trigger local or remote workflows, analyze your code, fix bugs, run vulnerability checks, or even perform version control, all directly from a Factory CLI. How it works? To get started, just run Factory prod, and you'll be logged into the Factory web dashboard where you can start interacting with your project repository. You can perform code analysis, apply code changes, handle bug fixes, or push version updates seamlessly. The system intelligently identifies vulnerabilities, missing dependencies, and even logical issues in your codebase. It then walks you through auto-approvals and multi-step fixes using an AI-first workflow. Enterprise-grade capabilities. Factory.AI is purpose-built for enterprise teams. It allows multi-user access, transparent operations, and complete compliance control. And since it's powered by GPT-5 Codex, you get faster and more accurate code generation with deep context understanding. The best part, it learns from your organizational patterns, integrates with your systems, and continuously improves over time. Installation made simple. Installing Factory.AI is straightforward. Head over to the official Factory CLI page, download the installer for Windows or Mac OS, and run. IX, new object net.web client. Download string https://factory.ai/install.ps1. Once done, the CLI automatically detects your IDE, whether it's VS Code, Cursor, or IntelliJ, and activates the extension. From there, you can link it to your GitHub repo or internal project to start analyzing and improving code instantly. Real-world example. I tested Factory.AI on one of my open-source projects, Nanobot, and simply asked, "Fix all code bugs." Immediately, it began scanning the entire code base, identifying errors, dependency mismatches, and potential optimizations, all in real time. It then asked for clarification on certain fixes, waited for my approval, and once confirmed, automatically implemented those changes. This wasn't just auto code generation, it was true AI-driven engineering that understood the full project context before making changes. Why it stands out? Unlike traditional code CLIs that just generate snippets, Factory.AI helps you debug, refactor, deploy, and automate your development workflows end-to-end. It's faster, more intelligent, and built with micro-agents that work asynchronously, making it ideal for large-scale production environments. Final thoughts. So yeah, Factory.AI isn't just another AI coding assistant. It's a complete autonomous development framework that merges code intelligence, automation, and enterprise security into one seamless experience. If you're a developer, team lead, or DevOps engineer, this tool will redefine how you approach feature development. Give it a try. You'll be amazed at how fast and intuitive it feels. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this walkthrough, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into next-gen AI tools.